Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. I know West Virginia Turnpike is like right there. You can probably see the traffic going by, so apologize about the noise. I could tell all them people stopped driving by, but I don't think they'd listen to me. So yeah, what are we working on today? We're working on a Suburban furnace. It is an SF30FQ, I think. Oh, I nailed it. Perfect. Let me show you what's doing. You won't be able to hear it, I doubt, because of the road noise. As you can see, I've already got it out of the camper, and I've also got it out of the case, so we can get to it. Let me hook up to my battery here, and at least show you what it's doing or not doing. I can hear it, but it's really hard to hear. We're getting no fan. We can hear the relay. We can hear the relay closing on the board, but we just got no fan. It's free. It's not stuck. So first thing I want to do is just go ahead and throw a dinosaur board at it and see what happens. We got other things that could be wrong, but I want to put a board on it first. So we will open up a brand new Dinosaur Fan 50 Plus. Still has the Made in USA sticker intact. Made in Oregon. Guy named Guy owns the company. It's a funny story. 30 years ago, when you'd call Dinosaur Electronics, usually Guy would answer the phone. I doubt if Guy still answers the phone. He might. I don't know. I haven't had to call him in a long time. Let's just get this thing apart a little bit and try this board. That board's mounted on that bracket. Let's pull it bracket off real quick, so we can get to the wiring. You don't really have to worry about mixing that stuff up, because this is your power coming in. It's a smaller spade, so it goes on the small. It goes on the small spade connector on the board. The motor lead is a larger spade connector. It goes on the large one, and it's marked blower and power. All right, let's hook the igniter up real quick. That's our spark plug wire, if that's what you want to call it. That's what it is. That's what it does. Blow the dust out of this connector right here. Plug the board in. Now let me make my connection here at the battery real quick and see what happens. Aha! What do you know? So let me get my propane bottle out here and get my propane hooked up to it. We'll test fire this baby. Y'all hang on. Get the gas line hooked up. See if she fires up. There we go. Probably a little air in the line and see if it goes the second time. Usually takes 2 tries. Oh, we might have jiggled something inside of it. It'll happen sometimes when you're taking these things out, getting them out where you work on them. Might have to go into the firebox and clean it up a little bit in there. Yeah, there's something going on. Fires up, runs for maybe 2-3 seconds and then shuts off. I'm gonna watch my LED on that board, see if it's cutting the gas valve off first, or whether it's cutting or the flames going out first. Turns red, that means the gas valve's on. Lights. Oh, it's cutting the gas valve off. Do believe. Well, that time it stayed lit. Just about pretty much means we got to go in there and at least look at the burner tube and the orifice and all that. Because it did fail like 4 times and then it lit up. We can try it a couple more times too, and then we'll let the customer make that call. Yeah, that's weird. The fan should have run too. It should have went through its cool down cycle. See what it does. Yeah, let me cut this thing off, talk to the customer. I did not bring in there and get that valve. Customer said, let's just put her back together. I lit it 2 more times, so fires right up, sounds good, smells good. So he says actually this furnace kind of really slow. So normally I don't have that much trouble with my little gas line. Usually 2 tries, but this one took 4 tries. I don't sometimes that happens. Oh, hey, real quick. If you are subscribed to make seems like you do, or YouTube does something and people get unsubscribed when they didn't want to. So just check that, and while you're checking your subscription button, just go ahead and ring that notification. Done that, and I'm not going to go up there and fix another one. I'm going to put this one together, and I'm going back home. You have a great day.